If you are trying to play any YouTube video and keep getting this error message on every video, try these simple steps to fix it permanently. Go to Chrome settings, privacy and security, clear browsing data, set the time range to all time and clear everything. Next, go to System and turn on the option Use Hardware Acceleration when available. Then relaunch your browser. Once it's open again, go to Reset Settings and reset all your browser settings. Now go to Extensions, Manage Extensions and remove or disable all the ad blockers from there if you have any. Once all done, close and restart your browser. Your problem should be resolved now. Thanks for watching. Stay safe.